Chapter 9-7, Graphing Functions. For the first example, we're going to make a function table and a graph when the only thing that we're given is the rule y equals 3x. The more logical thing to do is to actually start with making a table. We'll start with putting an input and an output, and I would grab three numbers, usually a negative, 0, and a positive. So I've chosen -2, 0, and 2, and then use the rule to figure out your output. On the right, you can see I've come up with -6, 0, and 6. The next step is to take those coordinates that you've made and graph them. If you've done them correctly, you will end up with a straight line when you connect your dots. I've done this to the best of my abilities on this card. Now, the other style of problem we may receive is one where they give us the graph, but we need to create a rule and a table for that. Again, the most logical choice is to start by making a function table. We can take the points that are given to us on that graph and write those coordinates, which I've done here. We had coordinates of -4, 8, -2, 4, and 0, 0. Now that we've figured out the coordinates, the next step is to figure out how is it getting from the left to the right. It looks like the numbers are doubling, but the sign is switching. That leads me to believe that the function rule is y is equal to -2x, which means we're doubling the number, but we're switching the sign. This has been Chapter 9-7, Graphing Functions. If you need further assistance with this, please contact me through my email or through my website. Thank you and have a great night.